go into the chat. That would be fine.
Okay, thank you, Nikki. Now I will get into the R&D that Hydromer is involved in. What do we do in this area, and some of the services and benefits we provide to our clients. Again, the basic definition of R&D is innovative activities that are undertaken by the group of R&D chemists or technical people in order to provide new services, new products, new technologies, or existing or improving existing products to make them even better to meet customer needs. Again, a basic definition of R&D consists of scientists, engineers, QA, management, product specialist. So that's similar to that. At Hydromer, we have a capable team of PhD chemists, our manufacturing personnel, our machine specialist. We also have process chemists. And then, of course, the management and the sales people that combine their efforts in order to better understand our client needs and be able to tailor products and technologies to meet your needs. So what are some of the services that we provide through our R&D group? So we provide recommended coating formulation. Typically, we have clients that come to us with maybe a new device that they're about to launch, or they have an idea and they want to understand how we can coat those products, or it can be an industrial device, let's say a goggle to windshield to sensor parts. So they are looking for a coating to provide additional benefits, or they may have a unique application or new application that they want to get into, and they believe that a coating can help them. So these are some typical inroads of our clients coming to us for support. We also provide custom coating formulation. Maybe the client has specific needs, and maybe there is the existing coating solutions in the market don't meet those needs. So we are able to offer custom coating formulation specifically for that client's needs to help them meet their goals. Our team also, as I said, continuously updates our existing coating formulation as we learn more about what our clients and the market needs. We improve our products to make sure they meet the latest requirements in the market. So we continually look at improving the performance of our coatings. We also provide the benefit of incorporating various actives with our coatings, either that are suggested by our clients or through our own efforts. One recent example that I would like to mention here is our collaborative work with a company called N8 Medical, who has a unique antimicrobial, and we have a coating that incorporates this antimicrobial compound and be able to be coated onto various medical devices. This active has recently gained Canadian emergency use authorization, and we are working towards limited FDA authorization. So that's an example where we are able to incorporate actives into our coatings to provide many more benefits. And our team always also continues to investigate alternate raw materials to be incorporated into our coating formulations, so we have more choices, more benefits that we can bring to our coating. Typically, how we work through our R&D group, again, is with initially a client may come up with a need that is not met by today's products. So there may be a need to do R&D work. So typically, we will have a call or meeting with them to understand exactly what their needs are, which we call a discovery process. So we really get into the nitty-gritty details of what they want, and we completely understand that. And that typically includes signing an NDA prior to that conversation. So we are open to signing NDAs and understanding, having an ability to understand more of the client needs. And then we look into our existing coatings to see if we have something on the shelf that is able to meet those needs. If not, maybe we move into specifically developing something. So then we go into the next step where we discuss a new product development for that client's needs. That may involve a development agreement. So once that is approved, then we work on bringing this new solution to the client. And then typically we have a lot of in-house testing, which I will talk about in later slides, different test capabilities that we have. And then we send these samples to our clients where they may be testing on their own side. And then once we both agree that this new development meets their needs, then we are ready to commercialize and start manufacturing for their needs. Again, this may involve some kind of supply agreement so that it's clear what the needs are and what their demand is, so we can make sure we are capable to meet those needs. Okay, so that's a little bit about R&D. Again, the basic message is that we have a